In this new house, you got another parrot.
That's not a parrot. It's a macaw.
Which I totally know the difference.
It's a parrot.
Is this like...
The lady's going, yes, it's a parrot. It's a big-ass parrot. Hey, look, I made the lady in makeup.
Wait, is this the parrot? Oh, here it goes.
Oh yeah,
wow.
that's dude.
That's dude?
Yeah, he's a biting son. Look, I made him cover
my... Oh, my gosh.
Oh, yeah, the dude. I named him after Jeff Bridges in The Big Lebowski. Dude, I'm the dude. Okay, so I named this macaw. I always wanted one, and my kids bought this for my birthday, and so I said, I'm gonna name him the Dude. I thought that was so cool. So it's the Dude. So we go off, come back, we go pick up the Dude. And they went, Mr. Bradshaw, we sexed the Dude, and it's a female.
Oh.
But he knows his name as the Dude. So it's the Dude. It's a female, the Dude. And so if I get to come back on the show, I'll bring you a picture of Peanut.
Is that, wait.
That's the second one.
The second one. And is this a boy or girl?
Boy.
So it kind of feels,
The Dude is a female and Peanut's a male. And right now, the Dude can't stand Peanut.
Oh.
But I think when nature takes its course, they'll be getting along just fine. Just fine.
So wait, I didn't know. So Macaw, if you get another one, name it McGraw after Tim. Because come on.
Tim McGraw?
Yeah, McGraw.
Well, I want to tell you, I got another one.
You do?
I got an African gray. They are some talking Jessies. Oh, I saw it out of the nest. It just took it out of the nest, Kelly. I'm telling you, I just melted. And the guy knows me. He's just sticking it to me. I paid 10 grand for that bird. And he goes, well, I paid 10 grand for Peanut. Yeah. Peanut probably costs $500 anywhere else. I got 10 grand out of me. But I saw this bird. I went, I gotta have that bird. And he says, I'm saving him for you. He's special. I went, yeah, I don't know what he called. I bought him, but I don't know what I paid for him. Have no idea. So I come home.
Just don't look.
Yeah. So we come home. My wife's thinking, Tammy, she goes, I got a name for the African gray.
Okay.
I said, well, we got Peanut, we got the Dude. What you got? She said, Steve.
Steve?
Steve!
What?
You can't name a bird Steve.
Yeah, you can. What? Why?
So,
why Steve?
This dumbass bird's name is Steve.
Why? Did she have a reason?
My wife is extremely intelligent, and I just think when people walk in the house and Peanut's hollering and the Dude's hollering, it would be nice to have someone named Steve.
Steve,
So the bird's name is Steve. I actually, if I get to come on again, I'll bring Steve.
Okay, and if you have another one, McGraw.
I'm not.
Macaw.
Well, when the Dude.
Tim Macaw.
You like Tim McGraw?
I just like the name. I like him too.
Macaw, McGraw. When the Dude and Peanut get together and have babies.
Tim Macaw, yeah.
Tim Macaw, that's funny.
I'm getting it in there.
I'm
getting it in there.
You are so sharp. You are so sharp.
By the end of this, you're gonna have a damn bird named Tim Macaw.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.